everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password on your PS4 account. So I'm just on the home screen here. Let's go up to the top and then go on over to settings. Then go to account management. Now you could always sign out and then try to sign back in. It will give you the option to recover your password. But I'm going to go to account information right here. Then I'm going to go to security. And when I go to security, it's going to make me re-enter in all my sign-in information again. But at the bottom here, it says forget your password. Press triangle. So I'm going to press triangle. Then it says enter in your sign-in email address for your account, and there's a check mark right here, and go to next. And it will send the email address that you have typed in here, a password recovery thing. So you can just select it, and then you can update your password on your smartphone or on your computer. Then you'll have to sign in with your device once again. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.